All right, so here we're going to be working on your mid-back or thoracic extension. Okay, so what you're going to need is a foam roller. So this is just a classic 6-inch foam roller. All right, so there's no like perfect spot to place this thing because your back has many vertebrae, 24 to be exact. Okay, so what you're going to be thinking about is spending a little bit of time at each sensitive segment or each segment that you feel is stiffer than the rest. Okay. And the best place to start is just right in the middle, right at the tips of your shoulder blade, right at the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go just lay on the foam roller. I'm going to find that first point, right, which is right at the tips of my shoulder blade. So the next piece that you're going to do is you're going to clasp your hands behind your neck. And in order to get those shoulder blades out of the way, you're going to point your elbows forward like so. Now, keeping your butt on the floor, keeping your feet on the floor with your knees bent here, you're going to begin to work on opening up that back. So you can spend a couple reps here. So right now, this is at the tips of my shoulder blades. Once you've exhausted that point, now what you could do is you can roll up a little more. So now it's a little bit higher up towards like the top of my shoulder blade. And again, I'll go hands clasped, elbows forward. And I'm going to actively go back using this foam roller as a fulcrum, as a mobilizer to get me further into extension. And then opposite here, I can go lower. Same thing, keep butt on the floor. Now I'm working backwards on the lower portion of my thoracic spine. One thing to note, if you go too far and you start to get to this point where your low back begins, this will become a very uncomfortable exercise, probably going to be painful, especially if you're watching this video and this is what you're here for. So be mindful, keep this only on the mid back or it'll be very uncomfortable.